أعزائي طلاب وطالبات الصف الخامس الابتدائي، أهلا بكم في حلقة جديدة من مادة العلوم باللغة الإنجليزية تحت رعاية وإشراف وزارة التربية والتعليم. Welcome dear student. In this episode we will review unit number 2 and 3. And before we start our revision, we have a very short summary. In the summary we will review the food relationships among living organisms. And the food relationships are three types. And to make sure you remember them, so let's do this summary. تعالوا نفتكر مع بعض types of food relationships among living organisms. ايه انواع العلاقات الغذائية بين الكائنات الحية؟ لو احنا فاكرين كويس هم كانوا 3 علاقات. تعالوا نكتبهم دلوقتي مع بعض. types of food relationships. لو احنا فاكرين كويس types of food relationships كانوا كام علاقة؟ تمام بالظبط، هما كانوا 3 علاقات. أول حاجة كانت ايه؟ تاني حاجة كانت ايه؟ وتالت حاجة كانت ايه؟ لو فاكرين كويس أول واحدة كانت اسمها predation. predation كنا لقيناها في كام نوع؟ في animal world and plant world. يبقى ممكن نقول predation in animals، predation in plants. شاطرين. تمام. بعد predation in animal لو عايزين نقول example عليها a lion prays the deer، cat prays a rat، كلها دي predation in animal. predation in plant world less common، قليل جدا. زي ايه؟ زي Drosera and Dionia، ودول كانوا حاجة اسمها insectivorous plants أو insect eaters، أكلات حشرات. تمام. النوع الثاني من الريليشنشيب كان اسمها إيه؟ كان اسمها symbiosis. شاطرين. symbiosis، وهنتكلم على symbiosis دي شوية كتير. وبعد symbiosis كان في حاجة عندنا اسمها إيه؟ بالظبط saprophytism. طب تعالوا نشوف العلاقة اللي اسمها سيمبيوسز. سيمبيوسز كانت موجودة في ليها كام تايب؟ ليها كام نوع سيمبيوسز؟ اتلخبطنا كتير لكن مش هنتلخبط فيها تاني. سيمبيوسز 3 تايبس. أول تايب اسمه إيه؟ ميوتواليزم. تاني تايب اسمه إيه؟ common ساليزم. تالت تايب اسمه ايه؟ باراسايتيزم. يبقى symbiosis 3 types: mutualism, commensalism and parasitism. طيب النوع الأخير اللي اسمه parasitism، هل هو نوع واحد من الباراسايتيزم ولا أكتر من نوع؟ لا، هم أكتر من نوع. هم نوعين. حاجة اسمها external parasitism and internal parasitism. يبقى الشكل ده ممكن يلخص لي حاجات كتير. يلخص لي العلاقات كلها بين الكائنات الحية، العلاقات predation symbiosis saprophytism. طيب لو احنا اتكلمنا على الايكو سيستم مين من الريليشن دول بيحافظ على الايكو سيستم؟ maintain ecosystem or keep the balance of ecosystem؟ بالظبط، هم 2: saprophytism and predation. saprophytism and predation keep the balance of ecosystem, while symbiosis هي relation between two living organisms. مفيش حد فيهم بيموت المفروض، ممكن الاثنين يستفيدوا من بعض زي mutualism، ممكن واحد يستفيد والتاني مش بيستفيد أو بيتضر زي commensalism، وممكن واحد بيستفيد والتاني بيتضر زي parasitism. تمام؟ تعالوا نكمل الريفيجن بتاعنا. So let's continue our revision. Question number 1, choose the correct answer. Number 1 is considered the most common solvent: benzene, vinegar, water, or oil. Of course, the most common solvent which dissolve in it thousands of substances, it is water. Number 2, all the following are ecosystem except desert, paper, sea, forest. Who know? Yes, it is paper. Number 3, all the following are examples of mixture except. So which one of these? Not mixture, means pure substance: concrete, tomato sauce, sugar, or milk. Which one? Of course, sugar. Super. The next question, what do you expect to happen in the following cases? Means what happened. If the number of plants decreases in a food chain that consists of rats and wolves, what will happen to rats and wolves? Yes, rats and wolves will die. Both of them will die. Why? Because they will find nothing to eat, so they will die. If herbivorous decreases in environment, herbivorous like deer, like rabbit, they are decreases. What will happen to carnivorous animal? So carnivorous animal will die because they can't find something to eat. Number 3, if man continues cutting forest tree, cutting tree will do something we studied before to the environmental balance. Yes, that will cause environment imbalance, the opposite of balance. هيعمل اضطراب في النظام البيئي. Number 4, there are no green plants. What will happen? No green plant, no producer in the ecosystem. So, death of all living organisms. All living organisms will die because green plants are the main source of energy or for food for all living organisms. هم المصدر الأساسي للغذاء أو الطاقة لكل الكائنات الحية، للherbivorous animal, للcarnivorous animal, also for saprophytism or decomposers. Next question, complete the following sentences. Number 1, the relation between sponge and tiny aquatic organism is this relation called what? Yes, it is symbiosis. Which type of symbiosis? If you remember, the relation between sponge and tiny aquatic living organism. Tiny aquatic living organism get benefit, get food benefit, while sponge neither benefit nor is harmed. So it is, yes, commensalism. Number 2, the ecosystem may be small, such as what? Small ecosystem? Yeah, water pond. The water pond is a small ecosystem. Number 3, factors affecting solubility are space and space. From factors affecting solubility, we have many. Yes. So here we have to mention just two, any two of them. Temperature and quantity of solvent. Yeah, that's work. So factors affecting solubility, temperature and quantity of solvent. Number 4, predation is less common in space world, because they are autotrophic organisms. Autotrophic or self-feeding producer. So they are plant world. Amazing. Next question, cross the odd word out. So first one, cat, rat, wolf, lion. So all of them are living organism. All of them are consumers. But cat, wolf, lion are carnivorous animals, while rat is herbivorous animal. so the rat will be the odd one. Number 2, lice, fleas, bugs, tapeworm. So all of them are yes. مين فاكرهم؟ احنا خدنا symbiosis قلنا فيها ايه؟ mutualism, commensalism, parasitism. كلهم parasitism بس فيهم internal و external. lice, fleas, bugs, all of them are external parasite or external parasitism, while tapeworm internal parasitism. So the odd one, tapeworm. Number 3, sugar, baking soda, concrete, mineral water. So all of them are, or most of them are, sugar, baking soda, and water. They are what? So the baking soda and the sugar also. Baking soda, pure substance. Number 4, fox, tiger, and lion. Fox, tiger, lion, all of them are carnivorous animal, while deer, the only herbivorous animal, so it is the odd word. Number 5, forest, universe, desert, ocean. The odd one, what? Universe. Why? Because it is very large ecosystem, while others are large ecosystem. The next one, write the scientific term. First question, a natural area including living organism and non-living things. Living organism and non-living things. So this is called, yes, ecosystem. Amazing, the ecosystem. Number 2, it is a food relationship between two living organisms where both get benefit, both get food benefit. So it is symbiosis, two living organisms. Which type of symbiosis? Yes, it is mutualism because both get food benefit. Number 3, a substance that consists of more than one type of particle. If it's only one, so it will be pure. More than one type of particle, so it is mixture. Amazing. Number 4, a food relation between two living organisms that one benefit and the other doesn't benefit or harm the first one. So it will be what? It will be commensalism. Why commensalism? Because one get benefit and the other neither benefits nor is harmed. Put right or wrong. Bilharzia worm causes elephantiasis disease. Is that right or wrong? Bilharzia doesn't cause elephantiasis. Filaria do. So it will be wrong. Bilharzia cause bilharziasis disease. Number 2, the solubility speed of solid increases by grinding. Grinding يعني طحن. لو أنا طحنتهم لغير small pieces هيحصل لهم surface area will increase, so solubility will increase, so that's right. Number 3, some living organisms protect themselves from enemies by changing their color. Yes, that's right. Frog do that, and many living organisms, and this is called, it's not mimicry, it is, yes, camouflage. Amazing. Number 4, filtration is used to separate oil-water mixture. So filtration for oil-water mixture, yes, of course, it is wrong. Separating funnel, we use separating funnel to separate oil-water mixture. Mention an example of. First one, insect eater plant. So insect eater, we have two examples for insect eater, Drosera and Dionia. We can write any of them. So Drosera here. Number 2, solid mixture. Solid mixture. We need one example. So fruit salad, maybe vegetable salad, it will be okay. Number 3, prey. any prey. Yes, like deer. 4. Pure substance. One example of pure substance. Yes, baking soda, sugar. So it's pure substance. Number 5. Way of self-defense against predation. We have 2 ways of self-defense against predation. If you mentioned any of them, it will be right, like mimicry and camouflage. So here, mimicry. Number 6, predator. So predator, we need what? Predator for like lion. The next question, correct underline words. In predation, the harmed organism is known as predator. The harmed one called predator, and predator is wrong. It is called what? Prey. Amazing. Number 2, Filarial worm causes malaria disease, and malaria is wrong. Which disease caused by filarial worm? It is called, yes, elephantiasis disease. Amazing. Number 3, salt and water mixture can be separated by magnetic attraction. Magnetic attraction is wrong. So what is the correction? Yes, not magnetic attraction, it will be evaporation. We use evaporation for separating salt and water. Number 4, the food relationship between fungi and dead organism is symbiosis. It's not symbiosis. So what is the correction? Yes, it is saprophytism. Number 5, cat is considered as a parasite. Cat parasite? No, cat is predator. So another question. So let's answer this question on the board. So let's see what we have on this board. Choose from column B what suit it in column A. First column, mosquito, filarial worm, bread mold fungus, fleas. Second one, causes elephantiasis, convey plague, causes malaria, or causes bread mold. So mosquito causes what? Causes malaria. So 1 takes C. Number 2, filarial worm will take what? Filarial worm causes elephantiasis disease. So number 2 will take A. Bread mold fungus. Bread mold fungus causes what? Bread mold. Amazing. 3 takes D. Number 4 and the last one, fleas convey plague disease. So 4 takes B. The next question, complete the following table. Parasite, and we have spaces here, empty space, type, and disease caused by it. So malaria. Malaria, which parasite caused malaria? Yes, mosquito. So number 1 will take mosquito. And its type, is it external or internal parasitism? It is external parasitism. Another one, ascaris worm. Ascaris worm, its type, internal parasitism. And it causes which disease? It causes, yes, anemia disease. So that's it. So let's continue. So let's continue and see the next question. Mention the relation between each of the following. Number 1, nodular bacteria and bean plant. Bean plant and nodular bacteria, the relation between both is mutualism. Number 2, fox and rabbit. So the relation between them, predation. Man and mosquito. Man and mosquito, it is called, yes, parasitism. Number 4, Drosera and insect. Drosera and insect, it is predation in plant world. Amazing. Predation. Number 5, fungi and dead organism. So fungi and dead organism, it is the third relationship. It is saprophytism. Another question gave reason for. Number 1, plants are important for lions, although the lions are carnivorous. Why plant important for lions? Lion doesn't eat any plant. Because they depend on plants indirectly as they devour another animal. They devour another animal, devour herbivorous animal which feed on plants. Number 2, the relationship between sharks and remora fish is commensalism. Remora fish and shark like the relation between a sponge and aquatic living organism, and like the relation between crocodile and the bird. So it is commensalism. Why? In commensalism, in the definition of commensalism, one get food benefit, while the other neither benefit nor is harmed. So the answer will be like the definition, exactly like the definition, because one of them benefit from the other, remora fish, while the other neither get benefit nor is harmed. Benefit in form of food. Shark doesn't feed on remora fish. Number 3, decomposers are considered the guards of nature. Why they are the guard of nature? Because they getting rid of the bodies of dead organisms by decomposing them and recycle chemical elements in the bodies to the environment. So decomposer الكائنات الصغيرة اللي بتشتغل في البيئة إن هي بتحلل الأجسام الميتة وتعيد المواد الكيميائية اللي موجودة فيها للتربة تاني علشان تكمل دورة حياتها وتكمل دورة الحياة، النبات يستفيد بيها تاني، اسمهم decomposers. Decomposers considered the guards of nature. هم اللي بيحافظوا على nature، بيحافظوا على الطبيعة، بيحافظوا على الايكو سيستم. ليه؟ علشان هم اولا بيخلصونا من الاجسام الميتة، ثانيا بيعملوا حاجة اسمها ريسايكلينج، اعادة تدوير للمواد اللي ممكن تتحجز في الديد بوديز وترجعهم تاني، return them back to the soil again. So that will be the answer. Number 4, tapeworm is an internal parasite. So it is parasite. Why? It's parasite first because it get benefit while the host is harmed. So it is parasite, and it is internal parasite. Why internal? Internal parasite live internally inside the host's body and feed on the digested food and cells and tissue of the parasite. So the answer will be because it lives internally inside the host's body, sharing the host its digested food or feed on its tissue and cells. Next question, number 5. A mixture of sand and iron filing can be easily separated by magnetic attraction. When we see here magnetic attraction and iron, we have here two types. We have sand and iron. Iron, magnetic material, get attracted to magnet, while sand, non-magnetic material, it is not attracted to magnet. So we use what? We use magnetic attraction. So here we have to say because iron, magnetic substance which attracted to magnet, while sand, non-magnetic material, not attracted to magnet. So the question here, the answer here will be because magnet attracts iron filings and separate them from mixture. الايرن بيعمل ايه؟ بيجذب جزيئات الحديد ليه وبيبعدها عن الساند، وبكده بيقدر يفصل الساند عن الايرن فايلينجز او برادة الحديد. Next question, air is a mixture. Why air is a mixture? If you remember with me, component of air composed of many gases, different gases, because it is gaseous mixture composed of what? Water vapor, oxygen, carbon dioxide gas, and nitrogen. All of them are component of air. So air is a mixture. Why? We have to remember here the definition of mixture and the definition of pure substance. Pure substance, it is substance that composed of or consists of one type of particles, while mixture composed of what? It is substance which composed of different type of mixture. So air here is mixture. Why? Because it consists of many types or more than one type of particles. So because air consists of more than one type of particles. If we have another question, substance or space is pure substance. Give reason. Why? Why sugar pure substance? Because sugar composed of only one type of identical particles. ده كان الريفيجن بتاعنا. بكده احنا خلصنا المنهج كله وعملنا ريفيجن عليه، حلينا اجزاء كبيره من اسئله بتتكرر في الامتحانات. ان شاء الله نذاكر كويس ونستعد للامتحان واشوفكم على خير.